Why should seniors use qualified elder law attorneys for estate and long-term care planning?
I think one of the things that becomes apparent to our clients who actually come in to see us in a very short period of time is that there are many, many different areas of the law that all impact on what we need to do to come up with the best possible plan for their particular family. And it's just very difficult for somebody who is not skilled, and particularly not a board certified elder law attorney, to really have a good grasp of all those different areas. Things can just impact from all kinds of situations. And one of the advantages that I think we have in our firm is that I'm double board certified by the bar, both in wills and trust and in elder law. Plus, I've been doing this for over 36 years and have a lot of experience in family dynamics, understanding how that works, tax law, VA, Medicaid. We don't want to do VA planning in a vacuum because we need to always think about Medicaid. There are just so many interrelated things. A couple other things to consider is that with a board certified attorney, the Florida Bar has put us through a rigorous examination process, and there's periodic peer review, and there's also an insurance requirement and ethical standards that need to be met. So you have a great deal of assurance that the person you're talking about with is competent and qualified and ethical. Some of the problems in just one quick example is there's a concept called basis step up. And if a family has a highly appreciated asset, if somebody tells you to give that asset away and then the client dies, there's no basis step up, potentially a great deal of capital gains taxes to be paid. Just one example. You might also think about if the person does not give you a good plan in this very highly complex area, what recourse do you have? With using a lawyer, you've got the Florida Bar, who is very diligent in making sure that lawyers don't harm the public. Plus, as I mentioned before, there's required malpractice insurance. Some of the people that you're dealing with doing Medicaid planning, especially non-lawyers, may or may not have errors and omissions insurance, and may or may not have an entity with which you can file a complaint. Just for a wide variety of reasons, it's much more comfortable, I think, for the family to know that they're dealing with somebody that's board certified.